Konbawa. So I saw this on Twitter. Not really symbolic, but kind of interesting. So I have a couple interesting articles here. First about physicists using artificial magnetic field between two mirrors. It says straining a honeycomb metasurface generates an artificial magnetic field for light. A team of theoretical physicists from the University of Exeter has pioneered a new technique to create tunable artificial magnetic fields which enable, quote, photons to mimic the dynamics of charged particles in real magnetic fields. So this is with ultra-thin 2D surfaces that are engineered to have structure on a scale much smaller than the wavelength of light. For the study, the researchers embedded the metasurface between two mirrors, known as a photonic cavity. It almost sounds symbolic, like as above so below with the two mirrors. So let's take a quick look at this article about Venus's layered folded terrain. It says an international team of researchers has found some of the oldest terrain on Venus, known as tesserae, have layering that seems consistent with volcanic activity. And then there's this quote, there are generally two explanations for tesserae. Either they are made of volcanic rocks, or they are counterparts of Earth's continental crust, says Paul Byrne, Associate Professor of Planetary Science at North Carolina State University and lead author of the study. Quote, but the layering we find on some of the tesserae isn't consistent with the continental crust explanation. The team analyzed images of Venus's surface from NASA's 1989 Magellan mission, which used radar to image 98% of the planet through its thick atmosphere. So, is this like symbolic? How does it relate to the Holy Grail? So, in a recent video, we looked at symbolism where they actually show like a Holy Grail vagina symbol. So this is from the video about Asgardia, and it's like a doorway symbolic of the Holy Grail. So what do you think about that magnetic field? You can let me know in the comments. Arigato. Mata ne.